Hey, what's up, guys? DJ Lyrics here from djclasses.com. Now, today I'm going to show you how to record in Serato DJ. Now, this is using MIDI controllers, not using Serato boxes. We'll get into that on another day. Right now, if you're using any kind of MIDI controller, recording is pretty easy through Serato. What you basically do is you click the record button, and you'll have this bar come out in the bottom. You have two options between video mix and regular mix. You have your record location, which you can choose anywhere you want to record your music. I normally recommend using an external hard drive so that this way you can have some space freed up and you're not taking up too much on your computer. Mine's set up to desktop. Now here you have your record level meter. You don't want to go too high, so you want to pay attention to the music first before you actually start recording. Now the reason for that is if it's too low, you want to go a little higher. And now you know exactly where you want to record at. With that being said, make sure you're watching your trim as you're recording and you're not blaring it all the way to the highest point, because then you're going to end up peaking really red and the waveforms are going to get bigger. You have your record button, which when you press record, it starts automatically from 0. If you stop it, it's obviously where it's at, and you can name the file that you have and then save it. But if you make a mistake, press record again and it starts over from the beginning. Stop it, starts over from the beginning. So it's pretty easy. If you're doing a video mix, click video mix. Make sure you have your video open. And this way, again, you check your audio. Make sure it's in the right place, so this way you're happy with what you're recording. And then once you're done, after you're done with your video, you press record and you name it. Now what it'll do is it sends everything to this recorded file. Automatically makes it itself if it's not even on your Serato yet. But after your first recording, it pops up. The recordings that I had are done here, so they automatically moved over to my desktop. Now I have my MP3 and I have my video recording here. That's basically it. It's pretty simple, but if you guys have any questions or comments, write them down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you go to djclasses.com now to get 5 free DJ tips. Thanks for watching, guys.